Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make text appear alternately in CapCut. So if you want to create an eye-catching alternating text effect in CapCut, this tutorial will show you how you can make text appear alternately for cool captions, lyric videos, or engaging visual effects. So in here I've already imported a video and I'm going to, let's say, add lyric videos. So make some lyric videos. I'm going to just copy the lyric first. I'm going to just go with this. Okay, I'm going to copy first 3 sentences. Click on the text. Okay, like this. You can change the fonts. I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to change the styles of the text. Okay, you can adjust the size and everything. Click on it like this, and to make it appear alternately, you can just basically do it like this. So when the first part is done, you can just adjust the the play height here, and then add another text in here. So I'm going to copy the second part, the next 3 sentences like this, and go back to CapCut and add text again. Okay, like this. Now when you do that, the text will actually appear alternately like this. But if you want to make it appear, for example, word by word, you can add some auto animations. Animations. You can click on animations in here and find the loop, and in here find the one that will allow you to make the text appear one by one. Or you can also do it manually by clicking on the text and split it one by one, or you can just go like this. You can just add text word by word, just like this. For example, girl, and then you can add another text again here. Sorry. For example, like this. You can adjust the duration manually to how you like it and adjust the position. So the tag will appear like this. So you can just do it or repeat the steps one by one. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.